Well, for Barclaycard, it's always been in our DNA to lead the way and lead the market in innovation. 5 years ago, we brought contactless to this market and really pushed its adoption to what it is today. And of course, launching mobile payments last year, but really making all the technology work, it actually is really hard. There are a lot of different parties that need to get together to make this work for the customer, and it has to be really, instant. It's got to be that right experience for them. So moving into this technology and innovation world, we have to kind of operate a little more like a technology company, more than financial services, and kind of working in that way is really different for banks and other players in the financial services space. And that whole mentality that a technology company would have, that's kind of what you have to get ready for if you're going to go do something like this in mobile payments. What we've seen on the consumer side is once customers get a chance to really try out the technology, they love it and they stick with it. Mobile devices, they have really become a key piece of everyone's lives. Everyone has now figured out how to integrate lots of everyday activities with it. The interesting part is what form will that mobile device take in the future? We're not sure. Things are changing so fast in mobile technology, you don't know if it's going to be something that looks like a handset or it's going to look like a tablet. It'll be something in between. But what we'll be ready with is technology that will let consumers be able to make payments with whatever device they have, really helping them make payments on the go. Since contactless was introduced 5 years ago, we're now at about 100,000 points of sale where you can use the contactless technology, and we're at that inflection point where we're going to see another 50% growth in that number by the end of this year in 2012. So this really is that turning point where we're going to see the merchants adopting the technology, but also widespread availability for consumers, not just through the contactless cards that have been issued on debit and credit, but also with great initiatives that we have on the mobile payment side, but also with PayTag, which we just announced. So it's going to be available to everyone, and we're going to see it in more places than ever. It's not just sandwich and coffee shops. We're seeing it in many different places today, way beyond what people have expected, such as W.H. Smith, National Trust, so many different places that you can use it. So we're there. The technology has become real.